I wonder where Nicole is. And she's the one who invited me here in the first place. What do I do now? Come on, Nicole, pick up. Gonna get late tonight. What? Nicole? Whoa. Okay, this supposed to be like kinky or something? I mean, I was down for bondage play, but I don't know about being in public doing it, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, Crispin. You know, out of everybody in school, I think I really hate you the most. I thought I hated Jeffrey the most, but now I fucking hate you, Crispin.
So no head tonight, or...
Hey Emily, so you know we've gone out for a few months now, and I'm just wondering, can I hit or what? Can I hit? Like, no, loser, what the fuck are you talking? Hey, is it raining tonight or? I don't think it's raining. Why you ask? Dude, what the fuck is that?
Way down along the street, how very, very sweet it will seem once more just to